All right, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on how to graph quadratic functions. So the standard quadratic would create or the general form for a quadratic is y equals x squared. And so if we created a table of values, we would have x be 0, 0 squared is 0, if if x is 1, 1 squared is 1, x is 2, 2 squared is 4, and we plot all these points. Let's go negative as well. If x is negative 1, negative 1 squared is positive 1, negative 2 squared is positive 4. So what you're going to notice is that as you plot these points, you see this type of pattern here. Negative 1, 1, negative 2, positive 4, and the graph creates some sort of parabola. So what you want to do is you want to do that same type of thing with this function here, but we need to multiply all these y values by 1/2. So essentially you're doing the same thing, but we're multiplying. Instead of having y there, we're going to call this our new f of x, and this was our y. Let me change this. I'm not really liking my explanation on this, but I think you'll get it. So this is y equals x squared, and then I'm going to walk you through this f of x function and how it's modified here. So really all of these y values just get cut in half. So half of 0 is still 0, half of 1 is 1/2, half of 4 is 2, half of 1 is 1/2, half of 4 is 2. So when I go to plot these values, I'm plotting 0, 0, right there. I'm plotting 1, 1/2, so 1 and 1/2. I don't think it'll actually let me plot that point when I go to graph it. I'm graphing 2, 2, 2, 2, right there. And then I'm graphing all negative 1, 1/2, negative 2, 2, right there. And then it'll actually create this parabola. So I'm going to go through and actually show you how to enter that. We have to choose that it's going to be a parabola. So the shape of the graph is here. It says click the graph to plot the vertex of your parabola. That's the minimum or maximum point. And then it says click the graph to plot a point on your parabola. So notice I can't do 1 and 1/2. That doesn't work. 1, 1's the only one. I could go up to 2, 2 right there, and that'll work. And if I hit save and check answers, it works. So you just have to find 2 points on the parabola that work for that function. Hopefully it helps. Keep sending me questions. I can definitely answer or create better examples for you if that didn't help clarify. Bye.